Something tells me go to potty. In my tummy soft and clear, it's time to go, I hear. I go to the potty, calm and slow. With my teddy, I can go. Or a book to stay with me, that helps me wait so easily. I walk slowly, take my time. My body knows and that is fine. I pull my pants down, then I sit. I breathe and stay a bit.
Sometimes pee comes,
Yes, it's true,
sometimes not.
and that's okay too.
No big problem,
I can try
I'll go again.
another time. I go to the potty, calm and slow. With my teddy, I can go. I sit and listen quietly. My body talks to me. Every day I